Have you ever wondered, how was the Earth born? Well, let's dive into the fascinating story of our planet's origins. The formation of Earth began over 4.5 billion years ago. It started from a giant cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula. Gravity pulled this material together, forming the Sun and the planets, including our own Earth. In its early days, Earth was a molten mass, constantly bombarded by meteorites. As it cooled, volcanic eruptions released gases, forming the early atmosphere. This atmosphere was very different from what we breathe today, consisting mainly of hydrogen, helium, and other volcanic gases. Over time, as the Earth continued to cool, water vapor in the atmosphere began to condense. This led to the formation of clouds and eventually rain. It rained for millions of years, filling the basins and forming the oceans. These vast bodies of water would become the cradle of life on Earth. And so, life began. The first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms. These tiny pioneers thrived in Earth's primordial oceans, setting the stage for all life that would follow. Over millions of years, these microscopic entities evolved, diversifying into a myriad of forms. From these humble beginnings, life continued to evolve. Simple cells gave rise to more complex organisms. Multicellular life emerged, leading to the development of plants and animals. The oceans teemed with diverse life forms, each adapting to their environment in unique ways. This incredible journey of evolution would eventually pave the way for the vast biodiversity we see today. The Age of Dinosaurs. This era, spanning over 160 million years, saw the rise and fall of some of the most magnificent creatures to ever walk the Earth. From the colossal Brachiosaurus to the fearsome Tyrannosaurus Rex, the planet was teeming with life unlike anything seen before or since. These giants roamed the land, ruled the skies, and even swam in the oceans, adapting to a world that was constantly changing. But as with all things, their reign eventually came to an end, paving the way for the next chapter in Earth's history. With the extinction of the dinosaurs, mammals began to rise. No longer overshadowed by the colossal reptiles, these adaptable creatures diversified and flourished. From tiny shrew-like ancestors, mammals evolved into a myriad of forms, filling every ecological niche. This era marked the emergence of the first primates, setting the stage for a future that would be dominated by a very different kind of creature. The Age of Mammals was a time of innovation and adaptation, leading to the incredible diversity of life we see today. And then humans arrived. Emerging from the African savannas, our ancestors developed tools, language, and culture, setting them apart from all other species. Over thousands of years, humans spread across the globe, adapting to diverse environments and creating complex societies. The ability to harness fire, cultivate crops, and build civilizations marked the dawn of a new era. Humans became the dominant species, leaving an indelible mark on the planet and its future. So there you have it. From the fiery birth of Earth to the rise of humans, our planet's history is a tale of constant change and adaptation. Each era brought new challenges and opportunities, shaping the world we know today. As we look to the future, it's important to remember the lessons of the past and strive to protect the incredible diversity of life that shares this planet with us. The story of Earth is still being written, and we all have a part to play in its next chapter.